Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to SharePoint at 2026. So you will need to know that the Canva doesn't offer a built-in one-click SharePoint integration inside the app, unlike the Google Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive. But because SharePoint files are stored in Microsoft OneDrive for Business, you can connect your SharePoint files to Canva through supported Microsoft integrations. So you will need just to go with a new tab and type right there Microsoft. Okay, and there's enter in your keyboard. Then just go with Microsoft 365 and then just sign in with your account. Okay. So right now when you signed in, I do really want you to go back to your canva.com and open or create a new design, just like that one, for example. And in the left sidebar you will need to click on apps. Okay, so just click on apps option, and here I do really want you just to search for OneDrive and click it. So when prompted, you will need to click on continue and sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials, okay? And then you will grant the Canva access. Now you will see files stored in your OneDrive just right here once you connect your Microsoft, and typically your SharePoint libraries you have synced to OneDrive are visible there as well. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.